Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can catch the purple break sparrow in Heartopia during the Modular Street Festival event. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you this bird information. Purple break sparrow. Okay, and basically you can catch this bird from the Unen mountain, specifically from the ruins. Or actually you can join the break event that you can start right here. Wait, let me show you on the map. Okay, here is where you can join the break bird event, and now it's available guys, so you can start it. If you start the event, you can catch the purple break sparrow in the event area. Okay, and this is the area for the purple break sparrow if you don't want to join the event guys. I think I've just seen the bird right here, but now it's gone. I don't know. But yeah, this is the Unen mountain, specifically at the ruins. And yeah, you just need to explore here. Oh, that's the purple break sparrow. This one. You can, oops, it's too far. You can prepare your bird scanner and try to capture it. Okay guys, and that's where you can catch the purple break sparrow in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!